Hey, what's up YouTube? Alien Rides here, and today we've got some new gear. I've got a speedometer, jacket, helmet, and I've fixed my two unicycles. I fixed the Nikola and the Monster. I'm going to show you guys the unboxing of this new gear and how I fix these unicycles. Subscribe and let's ride.
Alright, so let's start off with unboxing some new gear. GotWay sent me this package from China. Inside, there's a Bluetooth speedometer and a jacket. If you're interested in either of these items, talk to your GotWay dealer, and they should be able to order one for you. The jacket is super thin, but keeps heat in, and is small on me even though I ordered the 4XL China size. It's pretty unique though, and makes me instantly look like a GotWay fanboy. The vibrant yellow color will obviously get me all of the ladies, as well as keep me highly visible in traffic. There's also this little Bluetooth speedometer that connects to the wheel and displays your current speed. I didn't get instructions or know how to turn this on, so I'll probably feature this functionality in a future video. It comes with what looks like a handlebar attachment, so maybe this was for their scooter? Later on, I found some instructions of single or double tapping a certain area to navigate the speedometer menus. We'll have to feature this in a later video though. Now, onto the big box. This is my new helmet from Ruroc, the Ruroc Atlas Mercury. I wanted a more safe helmet at higher speeds, so I was looking for a lightweight, DOT-approved helmet. The Atlas meets those requirements and looks great at the same time. It's a limited edition helmet from Ruroc, and the brushed chrome paint job looks amazing with my chrome Bobblebee backpack. It's a bit tight to put on at first, but I've heard that this is expected from a motorcycle helmet, and I can't wait to break this helmet in and take it on a group ride. Once it's on, it feels comfortable and safe at the same time. I've heard more than one comment from people saying that I belong in Daft Punk wearing this helmet. Now we're going to jump into some electric unicycle maintenance that I've had to perform for quite a while now. We're going to start with the GotWay Monster and how to tighten the GotWay Monster axle nuts. These nuts can come loose and cause some play in the wheel when accelerating and stopping. You can't really see it here, but you can definitely feel it with some weight on the unicycle. It can definitely ruin having a fun ride due to it shaking your confidence in the wheel. To start with, we need to remove the side panels. A standard screwdriver is fine for removing these, and the Monster is nice because you don't have to remove the pedals first. Tightening the center bolt is pretty straightforward. The only specialized bit you'll need is a custom slotted 24mm socket, and ideally a large torque wrench. The custom slotted socket can be a bit of a pain to fabricate. You'll need some heavy duty tools to make one, or borrow one from a friend. This is necessary to be able to tighten the nut while avoiding the motor cables. Once we open up the Monster, we tighten the center bolt using the massive torque wrench. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to torque them to, but for this first try, I use around 100 pounds of force. I probably should fully remove the nuts and apply Loctite, but for now I just apply a small amount to the top of the center nut before tightening. I put it all back together, and now we're on to our next bit of maintenance on another wheel. Next up is changing the GotWay Nikola tire. In my last EUC video at the LA EUC Games, I showed having a bent rim and a flat tire. This was actually from running over a thorn during a group ride the night before, which caused my tire to slowly deflate, and at some point I hit something that caused my rim to get bent. Now we're going to take it apart, try to bend the rim back in shape, and swap the tire. Instead of a screwdriver, you'll mainly need hex keys to remove the pedals and side panels. On the Nikola, it's easier to change the tire as you can drop out the motor without having to split the shell fully. To start with, you pop out the two bottom pieces under each pedal. This will allow the motor to drop out after disconnecting the motor wires and pedal hanger bolts. I did have to apply a bit of outward force to the shell for the motor to drop out. Having a friend to help you pull the sides apart while pulling on the motor could help here. With two bicycle tire levers, I was eventually able to figure out how to get the old tire and tube out. For bending the rim back, I try a few things, including bending it back with a hammer, which I break, pounding it with a hammer, and using a clamp. After I get it into a decent shape, it's time to put the new tire on and reassemble the unicycle. Finally, both of my unicycles are ready to ride again. That's all we got for now. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you all next time.